Hello, I'm An from CloudiTwins. Here we are today with Tech Talk for the month of July 2021. I'll be showing you the website audit, the SEO audit, and the speed analysis for our website, clouditwins.com. But first thing first, we always take backup of our website every month. So here is the backup, which I have taken manually. Although the backup which we take through cPanel Wizard is enough, but to be extra precautionary, we always take a manual backup over here, as you can see. So this is done. Okay, so we can start from Google Analytics. So here's the home page. Let's change it to last 28 days. All right. So we can see there are 739 users who have visited our website in last 28 days, which is a 14% increase in the total number of users. Luckily, I can see that the bounce rate on our website has decreased to 47%. It's now to almost 40% right now. It's a 47.4% decrease. Previously, it was around 6 to 67% something, which is a good thing. The bounce rate is decreasing. These are the traffic channels. We will be discussing them in detail when I'll be showing you the acquisition page of analytics. These are the active users in the 30 days and the user retention report over here. Well, this is an interesting information to show you. Like in 28 days, the most of the users coming to our website were from United States, then Pakistan, India, and we have some new users from Canada and China as well. 51% of the users were using mobile devices to visit our website. But again, 47% were using desktop computers, which is a big number for our website. Nowadays, most of the users come from their mobile devices, and usually this percentage on analytics of other website is around 70 to 80%. But here for our website, it's 51%. So almost is a 50-50 ratio, or in case of devices. Okay, let me show you the audience details. So this graph shows that 84.8, almost 85% of the users were new visitors, and 15% were the returning visitors. So it's really good that we have new visitors coming to our website. Okay, let's go to the demographics. So 40%, again 40%, so almost 80% of our users range from 18 years to 34 years, and 20% of the visitors are from 35 to 44 years of age. Speaking about the gender orientation, 68% of them are male and 31.8, almost 32% are female. Okay, let's go to the acquisition. Here we can see the channels from where these visits have been oriented. 47, like almost 48% of these visits were referral, and 20% were direct. 18.5% have been originated through paid campaigns. Almost 9% of the users, 8.5%, have been visited from our social media pages, and this percentage, 4.8, almost 5%, were the organic search. And if you can see a tiny line over here, which is 0.6%, were from our email marketing. This is the detail of the channels contributing in these visits. Let's go to the Search Console over here. Okay, so here we are on the Search Console. Okay, so the most visited page on our website is our blog about Gymshark becoming a $1 million brand, and then how WhatsApp can help in business sales and development. So our blogs are doing really good, and this shows that blogs do attract a lot of audience on the website. Okay, let's talk about some social media activity. We had 27 sessions generated from Facebook, which is the 36% of all 889 sessions. Then the next most contributing social media channel is LinkedIn. We get almost the same percentage over here as Facebook. So our LinkedIn and Facebook is doing really good. Our Instagram is giving us 19 sessions, which is 25% of overall. And then Pinterest is also trying its hard. Okay, then I can take you to the speed analytics, which is GT Metrix audit for our website. So GT Metrix has given us a grade C, which is a little improvement from D. And as you can see, it has given us some suggestions that there is some excess DOM size. We are trying to improve these things. The elements have been reduced. It was like 3,000 elements the last time we ran an audit over here. And it's suggesting us to use a content delivery network. So we, at the end of this month, we will be shifting on a CDN. I'm sure this will help us improve the overall speed, especially the time, the fully loading time here, which is 7.1 seconds. This will be reduced once we have been shifted to content delivery network. Right now, our page size is 2.78. I'm sure we can reduce it by decreasing some of our images, especially the images we have in our slider. And also, we are planning to delay the chatbot, which opens itself. And after 5 seconds, we can delay it to 10 seconds. So the other page gets loaded easily within the time. And then the chatbot will be loaded later. So let's talk about another audit report, which is the SEO audit of our website. So SEO Optimer has graded as B minus, and it is suggesting us 10 recommendations to improve our result. If you remember last time when we ran this audit, we had 15 recommendations. So we are improving, and our grade was a C over here. So we are improving in this as well. So this is an overview of our SEO for our website. On our on-page SEO is graded A. According to SEO Optimer, our links are missing. That's why it's graded as F. Usability is, it's good B, but performance overall, the speed and the opening, the page speed of the website, since you can see it was 7 seconds over here and a C graded by GT Metrix. Similarly, the performance is being graded F over here. We have to improve the air speed and the loading time and decrease the loading time of our website so our performance can be graded something better than F. Our social media is connected well with our website and is helping really good to this SEO, and it's being graded B over here. This is the web chart over here, where you can see that the links are missing, which says 0. We have updated the links from our end. Maybe the SEO Optimer will take a little long to detect those links. Let's discuss the report in detail. So on page SEO is doing good. We have title tags, meta descriptions, which are perfectly fine. H1 header tags needs to be improved, which we did added last time, but we have to improve because it is still a red cross over here. Then H226 headers are working fine. Keyword consistency is fine. And then the amount of content according to this audit is a little longer. We can cut down some of the content from our home page. Similarly, with the image, there are 57 images on our home page. 22 of them are missing the attribute, the ALT attribute. We have updated the alt attribute of all the images. We have to recheck that why 22 of them are still missing. So we will be working on this. No index tags and header SSL, everything is enabled and working perfectly fine. HTTPS is fine. Robot.txt and XML site maps are also doing good. Analytics is connected. Schema is connected. And the content is structured according to schema.org, and it's perfectly fine. Our keywords, this shows our top 10 keywords and which are driving the most traffic to our website. Like you can see, Lewis Morgan, Gymshark appeared in 2,900 total searches. We have to improve the other keywords on our website as well, so it can bring more traffic on our page. So the monthly volume SEO timer has detected from searches 15. So the links which SEO timer has graded as F, this report suggests us that we need to add some more friendly links which are friendly for the search engine. We are working on it, and likewise we'll be working on the alt text of the images, and we will be updating these URLs as well, so we can get some friendly links. The usability overall is graded by B, like our device rendering for our website is fully adaptive and is responsive to any screen, any device, like it is responsive to smartphone and tablet as well. And the device rendering is working perfectly fine, and that is why we have been graded B over here. And still we can improve to A, and the problem we are not getting an A is because of the email privacy. It says that email address has been found in a plain text. We can change this, and I'm sure we will be graded A next time. So overall, the performance result of the website, the loading speed is a little bit poor this time. Like I have told you, it's taking 7.1 seconds, and according to SEO timer, it's taking 11 seconds for all the content of the page to load. We can reduce some of the content, and we can resize some of the images. Like it's suggesting us that the total page size is 8 MB. We can reduce this image size over here, which is like 4 MB, and I'm sure this will help us to reduce the overall page size, and which will help us to increase the speed of the website. And then the social media report. Our Facebook pixel, which is disabled right now. We are updating our Facebook ad account. So that is why we have disabled, we have disconnected our Facebook pixel with our website. Our Twitter is connected, and so is our Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So these are the plugins, the most widely used plugins on our website. After this report, I can show you the backend of our website, the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard of CloudiTwins. You can see we have 31 active jobs right now posted on our website, and we have received 46 new applications. And most of them are for marketing manager. 11 of these applications have been received for marketing manager. These are the new applications we have received for our job openings. Let me take you to the plugins page over here, where I can show you that all of these plugins are updated, as you can see. And our website has also been updated to WordPress 5.8, which is the latest version of WordPress content management system. So that is all I have to share for the CloudiTwins website today. There are some sectors we need to improve in the site performance on this homepage. We will be updating these images with the reduced size, and we will be updating the friendly URLs, which are the suggestions made by GT Metrix over here, and SEO Optimer over here. And we also need to reconnect our Facebook pixel with our website. And we can see that our blogs are bringing us some really good traffic. So we can add some new blogs to our website with trending content in them. Similarly, we will be updating the time for our chatbot to open, the delay in our chatbot to open on our homepage. So these are some suggestions and some tasks we will be doing this month to increase our performance and to improve our search engine optimization for our website, clouditwins.com. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.